welcome to my channel. In this video we need to discuss how to find the derivative of any function. The first function is given by f of x, which is equal to 2x minus 3 times 3x squared minus x cubed. Now we apply the derivative of any function. That means f derivative at x is written by what? D by dx of f of x. So now the functional function value of this function is given by, so we need to derive the function separately and multiplied by them. So 2x minus 3 times what? The 3x. So sorry, d by dx of what? 3x square minus 3x square minus x cubed, and also plus what? 3x square minus 2 minus x cubed times what? D by, that means the derivative of the second function mass. So 2x minus 3. Then we need to apply the derivative of this function, then multiplied by 2x minus 3 times what? The derivative of this function is given by what? 6x, yes, minus what? 3x squared. By applying the power rule of derivative, then 3x squared minus x cubed times the derivative of the inner function is given by 2. Then why? Because 3 is constant. So multiply 2x minus 3 by 6x minus 3x squared. Then we get, from here we get yes, 2x minus 3 times 6x plus what? Minus 3x squared gives 3x to the power of 4, yes, minus what? 12x cubed, yes, minus sorry, plus 12x squared. And also by multiplying 3x squared minus x cubed times 2, we get what? Yes, sorry, oh, I made a mistake from here when I multiplied by 2x minus 3 times 6x. Sorry for my mistake. We multiply again 2x minus 3, yes, times 6x minus what? 3x squared. Now we get, put here, multiply 2x times 6x, we get 12x squared, yes, 6x minus 3, 6x times minus 3, we get 18x, then minus 3, yes, here we get minus 6x squared, and then minus 3, sorry, here is x cubed, yes, minus 9, sorry, plus 9x squared. So now here 12x squared, yes, minus 18x plus what? Sorry, minus 6x squared, yes, plus what? 9x squared, and then plus what? 3x squared minus 2x cubed. Now our target is to collect like terms like 12x squared minus 6x squared and also 9x squared and again 3x squared have the same power. That means 12x squared minus 6x squared, we get what? 6x squared, and then plus 9x square, which is 15x square, plus 3x square, which is 18x square, then minus